Fall Sunshine paper pad from the Not Too Shabby Shop. I got this in my August subscription box. I am using this stamp set, Hello Bears. I'm also using the sunflower one. I think I just used one stamp in it. And the papers, a few gems. And so let's go ahead and I killed the paper pad. So let's go ahead and get started. So I did a 5 1/4 5 1/4 card because I really just loved the paper, just this big sunflower paper, and so I just kind of wanted to showcase it. So I did a very simple stamping here with the sunflower stamp. I did do a little bit of a glaze on there. It does look shiny in the middle, and so there's that one with some ribbon. And then very simple layout here, just a good way of using scrap and ephemera. And then this card right here, same kind of thing, but I used that Hello Bears stamp along with an ephemera piece there. And then this is the kind of a similar layout, and just done the other way. And I've got my ephemera and then my stamped piece. And then this one right here, same thing. I really just wanted to showcase this pretty sunflower paper. And then I used the stamp from the sunflower stamp that came in that subscription box along. And then this one right here is using a piece of ephemera along with the stamp. And I just stamped a sentiment right here. And then we have this one right here, little pumpkin. So I really love how all these cards came out. I think they are just adorable. Some of them I did finish with ephemera inside. Not all of them. But here are all the cards that I made. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Praying with a Heart.